In this video, you'll learn how to fix the issue of Stan Store not loading. By following these steps, you will be able to troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. First, begin by checking your internet connection. Ensure that your connection is stable and fast enough to support browsing. You can verify this by opening another website in your browser. If the other site loads without issues, your internet connection is likely functioning correctly. If not, you may need to troubleshoot your network settings or contact your internet service provider. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This process can vary slightly depending on the browser you are using. In most browsers, you can find this option in the settings menu. Look for a section labeled privacy or history. Once you locate it, select the option to clear browsing data, ensuring that both cache and cookies are included. After completing this step, return to the Stan Store and reload the page to see if it loads properly. If the issue persists, try accessing Stan Store using a different browser. Options include Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Alternatively, you can open Stan Store in incognito or private mode. This mode helps to bypass any cache issues that might be affecting the site. To access incognito mode, look for the option in your browser's menu, typically found under File on New Window. This can help determine if the problem lies with your current browser settings. Another step is to disable any browser extensions or VPN services you may be using. Some extensions might interfere with website loading, and VPNs can sometimes block certain sites. Temporarily disable these extensions or disconnect your VPN, then attempt to reload Stan Store. This action can help identify if these tools are causing the loading issue. Additionally, check the status of Stan Store itself. There may be times when the platform is undergoing maintenance or experiencing outages. To verify this, visit the official status page of Stan Store or check their social media channels for any announcements regarding downtime or issues. If the site is down, you may need to wait until it is back online. If none of these steps resolve the issue, consider reaching out to Stan Store's support team. To do this, navigate to the More section in the app or website and select Help. You can also send an email to support@stan.store. When contacting support, be sure to include details such as your browser type, device, and any error messages you might be encountering. This information will help them assist you more effectively. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you